Hello, my beautiful people. You're welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV. Yes, hey, one person, make I no even call her woman, make I no call her girl. She don't come outside, use her big head with her big mouth. They talk say, as long as woman they sleep with man, he no see anything wrong. He no know why women go there ashamed to sleep with different men. Yeah? No, I don't sure say una hear wetin I talk. If you know say you dey sleep with man, na im be say you no suppose get shame to dey sleep with other men, like plenty men. Na wetin dis girl come outside come talk. My people, we been dey think say na only Buhari and im people, government, dey spoil country. We no know say we get them. Abeg put dis girl picture. Look am. Na she be only her on her own, she be government. Yes, for una wey no know, na she be that. And as she come talk this thing, shame no even catch am. Madam, make I first tell you wetin dey my mind. Kiki, feminist no be by freedom of sex yo. Hear me well. No be by all of una wey dey do feminist. Everybody wan copy Western ideology when they no even know wetin e dey about. Why? Una just like dey copy. Be there and be forming feminist, madam independent. Now wetin don dey kill women nowadays? I can do everything by myself. I can do. When woman don start dey provide for herself, if she no dey careful, wahala dey always dey. See this one now, she just because you don't how much sef you don't make? How much money you even get when you feel say you feel come outside, come dey address people? So make we ladies, make we come dey get like 10 people where we dey sleep with. No, because almighty Kiki has come outside to say it. Olori buruku ni. Madam, carry your feminist to yourself and go and see all of una wey dey follow this. I even wonder which kind of advice she go dey give una. And person like this now, she go get people where they look up to them. What are you even looking up to? Wetin dey for this person body wey una dey look? Oh, so for this girl mind now, multiple sex partner na thing of joy. For your mind now, you think say you dey intelligent, you think say you get sense, now you smart pass. Make we dey follow you. Make we dey jump from one man to another. You no get sense. You no just no your head you no balance. You for come make I give you itosa so that you go think straight. Make una dey very careful. No, I dey very serious. Make una dey very, very careful. Feminist, make in case una no know, una think feminist na just for una own understanding. Feminist na group of satanic lesbians. Listen, group of satanic lesbians now from devil. When they don't come, when they use that one to they destroy God's plan. They call themselves feminist. Make una dey very careful because now they plenty. Imagine what this one they vomit for her mouth. Oh, as she dey like this, I dey very sure say she never even marry. You never marry, but you they come outside, they tell people to they sleep with different men. Make una dey careful who you they listen to, who you they follow, who you they add. Because plenty things just they happen. Dey very careful this period. If not, by the way you go end, you no go even see road turn back. Now then be that. Anyhow, my people, now here we still dey another interesting begin day. Another big kasala don happen for all those men wey no fit hold their gundus. This one na for Nasarawa, yes, Nigeria. The man impregnate im 15-year-old daughter. Tofiakwa, abomination. The girl, im mama die when she be 2 years old. And after the mother die, she get auntie wey been dey take care of am, you know. The auntie too come die recently. And now, after the auntie die, all this while the man no misbehave because people dey around. The auntie too come die. Now so the man come move into 3-bedroom flat. Now there the wahala start. He can't tell the daughter, say, make she take one room so that, you know, she go dey comfortable. Normal level, father and daughter. Now, so this man, my people, every night, oh, this man go this girl room. They check her zin. Go they check her. Go they ask her, say, have you started menstruating? Have you started sleeping with boys? Mumu questions. Where the girl go they say, daddy no. Every night. Until one day. Now that day be the main day. Where the man enter in room, the man come tell her, say, me she open leg. Which choice this girl get? If now you go open now. And so she said she open leg. So the father can say, I must test it. I want check your virginity with my gundus. How you go check your gundus? How you go check person virginity with your gundus? Not be this virgin, they can't this virgin the person. I don't understand which kind of sense some people just get. Before this girl go even shout or go even say no, the man don't climb. Chai! This matter, they give me goosebumps. I don't know if they feel this thing. The guy don't jump on top this girl. The girl don't even fish out. He can't carry in hand, cover the girl mouth. Oh, my people. Now so he can't they bangang. They play tumbo on top this girl body. And that thing from that night, now so it happen every day. Oh. Every day, no rest. Until the girl come miss her period. She can't tell the father, say, Daddy, I know they see my period again. No. Now be say I don't get belly. The man can't they jubilate. He dey very okay with that thing. See, oh, you know what they can't they pay me? The man even open mouth, tell this girl, say, when you give birth, since you are the only child, after you give birth to this one, you feel go marry. I beg, which man won't marry this girl after this kind of thing? Not be even the matter of the man. This girl herself, when I think say her head go still calm down to this girl go they fear man now. I know that somewhere some people just decide to destroy people's life. Government, oh, if una no do something for this matter, I go personally look for una. And this man now, when they carry this case go court, make una no dey surprise, go put her on bail. Wetin una dey bail for this case? Wetin una dey bail? If I know that year when my mama they tell me say study law, I know the year word. By now, I for become judge. Imagine saying that me be judge for this case. Hey, this man, I for just put her 3 years sentence to jail, 3 years for raping. And I know what they go to do for that place. I know sure so I want to know. If this man go to get timetable, yes, morning, afternoon, and night. This night go be in news where they go. You understand? Tomorrow na ear, next tomorrow na the other side. Now so we go to do up. And then when I don't tire, they go remove that thing. Because some people know the hear word. That this thing na malice, na wickedness. I don't understand. Na lack of women they do this thing. I've been waiting. Why you no feel look for woman when go just settle down with? If you know say you no feel your thing no feel. Yes, my people, don't forget now. Here be the Aproko Show, and every of una comment drop a there. Don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen for Aproko Show. I go see you now later.